Tacoma Parts Corporation specializes in commercial tires, parts, and accessories for your truck. Our inventory includes bumpers, heaters, headlights and fog lights, body panels, wheels, radiators for all makes and models. Our dedicated team will strive not only to provide you with the best and most affordable parts for your truck, but we will also like to earn your business by providing the best after-sales service. This may include 24-hour on-call service, technical know-how, and hassle-free returns. We look forward to seeing you here. Give us a call at 206-235-2411 or just stop by our shop. We are located in Seattle between I-5 and the SeaTac Airport.